big part of construction is just shifting around soil and rock. If you've ever had to dig a hole, you know how limited human effort is in moving earth. Almost no major job site is complete without at least one excavator, because they're just so versatile. Depending on size, the heavy steel bucket of an excavator can match an entire day's digging of one guy or girl with a single scoop. But excavators get used for more than just digging. They are a lifter, pusher, crane, and hammer all in one. A skid steer is second only to an excavator when it comes to versatility. These little machines are often equipped with a bucket, but you can attach almost any type of tool as well. While there are often purpose-built machines that can do the same job, none of them can convert from a loader to a mower to a forklift to a drill rig quite so quickly, and in tight confined spaces, a skid steer is the perfect tool. A loader is one in many machines meant to carry soil and rock across a distance. They're often articulated in the center for tighter turns and use a large bucket on the front for lifting and dumping. They're meant to carry materials over short distances like the length of a construction site. Longer hauls use a dump truck. These trucks feature a large open-top tub meant to withstand repeated loading with various heavy materials. A typical dump truck features a hydraulic cylinder that can lift the bed, tilting it at a steep angle and allowing material to dump out of the back. Since dump trucks carry heavy loads, lots of them have auxiliary axles that can be lowered to distribute the weight over more tires and keep the truck in compliance with roadway and bridge weight limits. Articulated haulers are dump trucks used in off-road and difficult terrain. If you want to move a lot of soil around a large construction site, another option is a scraper. Rather than loading from the ground into a dump truck, these machines do it all in one. A huge blade scrapes directly from the ground into a hopper, it's carried directly to where it's needed and unloaded with a hydraulic ejector. And these are often used on large embankments like for highways and dams. Another Swiss Army knife of the construction yard is the backhoe. That's a combination of an excavator and loader. Great for small sites where it doesn't make sense to have two separate pieces of equipment. And don't forget the bulldozer that specializes in moving material at ground level. They can't shift the earth over large distances, but they can spread out literal tons with their tank-like tracks. The last stop on the digging train is the trencher. There's a huge variety of styles and sizes, but ultimately they all specialize in digging long holes for pipes and utilities. Many use a toothed chain, like a giant chainsaw for the earth.